In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Logitech Webcam software. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Logitech's official website, and then you want to click on Software up top over here, and then you want to scroll down a bit, and you want to click on Discover and Download. Now, as you can see here, it's basically this Logi Options Plus software, and if you scroll down some more, you can see it says Personalize Your Experience, and you can also personalize the experience of your webcams, so you can click on Webcams over here, and this will allow you to basically customize the settings of your supported Logitech webcam. So here you can click on supported, and it's going to show you basically which of these are supported. So in here you'll be able to basically go by category, and you'll be able to go by webcams, and you can basically see which of them are actually supported. There we go. And then if you have any of those webcams, you can just go back over here, and you'll be able to download the software by clicking on download for either Windows or Mac OS. It's going to download onto your computer over here in a few seconds. There we go. Then you have to click on it. And when you click on that, you'll be able to, of course, just install it and then start using it. So as you can see, it's going to pop up this box. There we go. And then you have to click on Install Options Plus. It can start installing. Usually, you're going to have to confirm a few things. And when you do that, you'll be able to connect and detect your Logitech webcam and then customize it in there. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.